Today, we're going to be talking about how to enable developer options on Android. Developer options are a hidden menu of settings that can be used to customize your device and troubleshoot problems. They're also essential for developers who want to build and test apps. Why enable developer options? There are many reasons why you might want to enable developer options on your Android device. Here are a few. To enable USB debugging, which is necessary for connecting your device to a computer and debugging apps. To change the animation speed of opening and closing apps. To force apps to run in full screen mode. To display the CPU usage and frame rate on the screen. To enable mock locations to test location-based apps. To take screenshots and record screencasts. To change the system theme and font. How to enable developer options. Before I will show you this, let me tell you that I have a Google Pixel phone with Android 14. So your settings may look a bit different, but you should find the same options. To enable developer options, follow these steps. Tap on Settings. Find the About Phone section and tap it. Scroll down and tap on the build number 7 times. You will see a message counting down as you tap. Once you have tapped 7 times, you will see a message that says, "You are now a developer." Some phones will ask for your PIN or fingerprint. Complete this step to activate the option. Go back to the Settings menu. Now, tap on System and you will see Developer Options. Note: the specific steps to enable developer options may vary slightly depending on your device manufacturer and Android version. What to do with developer options? Once you have enabled developer options, you will have access to a variety of advanced settings and tools. Here are a few examples. USB debugging. USB debugging allows you to connect your device to a computer and debug apps. This is essential for developers who are building and testing apps. Animation speed. You can change the animation speed of opening and closing apps. This can speed up your device if you find the animations to be too slow. Force apps to run in full screen mode. If you want an app to run in full screen mode, you can enable this option. This can be useful for apps like games and videos. Display CPU usage and frame rate. You can enable this option to display the CPU usage and frame rate on the screen. This can be useful for troubleshooting performance problems. Mock locations. Mock locations allow you to simulate your device's location. This can be useful for testing location-based apps. Screenshots and screencasts. You can take screenshots and record screencasts with developer options enabled. This can be useful for creating tutorials and reporting bugs. System theme and font. You can change the system theme and font with developer options enabled. This can be a fun way to customize your device. Warning: some developer options can have a negative impact on the performance and stability of your device. Only enable the options that you need and understand. That's it for this tutorial on how to enable developer options on Android. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.